Did you know that the Ton blockchain has seen explosive growth over the past year, gaining millions of users? It's not just another blockchain, it's packed with unique features that make it stand out in the crowded crypto space. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Ton blockchain, what it is, why it's gaining traction, and how you can start using it as a beginner in 2024. Whether you're new to crypto or just curious about Ton, I've got you covered. So, let's talk about the challenges beginners often face when stepping into the world of blockchain, especially when it comes to something like the Ton blockchain. First off, there's a ton of jargon that can be super confusing. Terms like nodes, validators, and smart contracts can make your head spin. Then, there's the issue of security. With so many scams and hacks out there, it's hard to know who to trust. Plus, the technical know-how required to get started can be a barrier. Many people want to participate in this awesome tech but feel overwhelmed or intimidated. If you felt this way, you're definitely not alone. Now, let's break down what makes the Ton blockchain a great option for beginners. For starters, scalability is a huge plus. Ton can handle millions of transactions per second without breaking a sweat. This means you won't experience those dreaded delays during busy times. Then there's security. Ton uses a unique proof-of-stake mechanism that not only keeps the network secure but also allows users to earn rewards just by holding their coins. And let's not forget about user-friendliness. The interfaces are designed to be intuitive, making it easier for newcomers to navigate and engage with the platform. Overall, Ton is built with the user in mind, making it a solid choice for those just starting out. Now, let's look at a real-world example of someone who made the leap into the Ton blockchain. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who wanted to experiment with NFTs. After hearing about Ton's low fees and quick transactions, she decided to give it a shot. Within a week, she not only created her first NFT but also sold it for a nice profit. Sarah loved how simple the process was and how supportive the community is. Stories like hers show that with a little guidance, anyone can tap into the potential of the Ton blockchain and turn their ideas into reality. So, to wrap things up, we've covered a lot about the Ton blockchain today. From its impressive scalability and security features to the user-friendly experience it offers, Ton is definitely a great option for beginners in 2024. If you've been hesitant about diving into the blockchain world, Ton might just be the perfect starting point for you. What do you think about the Ton blockchain? Have you had any experiences you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on blockchain technology. Also, check out my other videos for more insights into the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.